It's your boy Triple J coming at you with the twist back again with another video. In this video, we're gonna be driving from Venice, not Venice Beach, but Venice, Italy, all the way to Switzerland. We're gonna stop a few different places. I'm gonna show y'all around. It's gonna be dope. Let's go. Alright, man, when I tell y'all, when I'm driving, I'm always focused on the road. We almost ran out of gas without me knowing. So we had to stop at this little town to get gas. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Triple J coming at you with this back in another video. We out here in Switzerland. We stopped at this little town to get gas. I'm waiting for them to be done, and we'll go ahead and fill up. For the meantime, I want to show y'all around. Man, Switzerland is a beautiful country, bro. This is out of nowhere. I think they're done. Go ahead, for this guy, I guess, do it for me, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Yep. It's working, baby. Of gasoline. Look at that mountain up there. We passed the honey bucket. You can use that. We out here. We just came back from Italy, Venice, Italy. We are making our way to Zurich, Switzerland. What y'all think about this town, man? So in this gas station, it's a little gas station, you only have like one spot to pay. And pick the number, they have 1, 2, 3. So you pick whatever number you at. You put that number in, and then bam. A lot of motorbikes here. We gotta get going. See y'all on the other side. When we got gas, somebody wanted to use the bathroom, and we stopped at the honey bucket along the way. So we stopped, used the honey bucket. Mountain, bro. Yeah, man, we on the road. I love driving. If I can have it my way, I'm gonna drive all over the world. It's a drive all over the world, man. Cause you see a lot of beautiful things. You see a lot of different things that you're not gonna be able to see if you were flying. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. It's your boy Triple J coming at you with exactly one video. We out here in a different part of the world. Just came from Africa a few days ago. I'm out here in Switzerland exploring the country, exploring the world. Look at that house right there. The house right over there. Switzerland, home of mountains. This is the car we rented from Brussels. Man, there are a lot of bikes out here. This is the car we rented from Brussels. We've been driving it around for the past 3 days now. So after doing the do, we hop back on the road to the next destination. Along the way to the next destination, we saw this beautiful spot, man. You know what? I'm gonna let the video do the talking for me. Man, I had to stop for y'all to see this. This is amazing. Bro, Switzerland is fucking beautiful. The things you see when you travel by road, man. When we go down, I wanna go down, bro. Beautiful. Man, this is amazing. But how do we get there? Oh, that's the train. Let's go down. is your boy Triple J coming at you with the trips. I'm probably not supposed to be here, but something like just to show y'all. You know? Yeah. Go back up. I wish I could go all the way down there though. We can't stop here for too long, so we gotta get back on the road and get it going. It's your boy Triple J coming at you with the trips. Back again on the video. Always coming at you with the trips in rare places that you have never seen in your life before. Ain't it beautiful? This is something you will see on a postcard. We are one of a kind. 360 view.
Cold, it's so cold.
So the view was so beautiful, we had to go down and touch the water. But that little town though, it wasn't a lot of black people. So we had to get the out of there. Back on the road. Nice little town over here. Nice little town over here. Nice little town over here. The African accent, yeah. I have to put on the African accent for a little bit. This is a nice little town. We just went to the water and we see the water. The water is very blue. Yeah, so we are on our way to Zurich, the capital of Switzerland. We just got to downtown Zurich. I wonder what's over there. Let me walk this way real quick. Take y'all around over here. Underneath the bridge. Damn. Bro, the water is so blue, man. My guy out here jamming. Are you from Switzerland?
No, I'm born in Albania.
Albania?
Okay. I live here 30 years.
30 years?
Wow.
Wow, okay. How much?
18.
Everybody got their own perspective of life. So I guess this is what theirs is. It's good to travel and see different parts of the world and see different cultures and be open-minded. Learn from people while they learn from you. That's what life is all about. At the end of the day, we leave today and we die tomorrow. That's it. There were millions of people before us, and there's gonna be millions of people after us. I always say, live today, because tomorrow we're gonna die. Y'all know I'm a soccer fan. When I heard FIFA has a museum at downtown Zurich, we had to stop and take a look. FIFA Museum. I don't know if they're gonna let cameras in here. The World Cup is gonna be in Seattle, so they will put some respect on our name. You heard me? Excuse me? You have to buy a ticket to go see the museum?
The museum is closing right now.
But unfortunately, it was closed. I was heartbroken, man. So, yeah, I was heartbroken. So this whole video is about us driving from Venice, Italy, all the way to Brussels, where we had to catch a flight to go home to Seattle. But we managed to stop a few different places. My wife managed to find another beautiful spot, so we had to stop Watch on. Biggest waterfall in Europe. We are currently making our way to the biggest waterfall in Europe. And these buildings are old. This building is. Waterfall. Water. Oh damn. I think we gotta pay to go in or something. Oh nope. Sheesh. La Grande. Huh? Yeah. If we can just jump. Sheesh. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Bro. Yeah. Bite night store. Now, let's go down. Let's get closer. Nice little pathway down to the waterfall. Nice little spot you can chill and watch the waterfall. Wonder how close we can get to the water. So we're gonna find out. Oh boy. Wow. I know it's gonna be so hard to go up. Almost made it. Keep going. I know it's hard. It's gonna be hard to go back up. Anyways, it's your boy Triple J coming at you with this back at one video. We out here in Zurich, Switzerland, at the biggest waterfall in Europe. Castarora, Bafanculo. It's beautiful. You can survive if you fall over there and the water brings you somewhere here and it's calmer. Biggest water. This is diabolical. Bro. You might not make it. This is crazy, bro. Taking a picture right now. Thank you. Woo. I guess this is the other side if you want to do a boat trip. But we got here so late, I think the boat trip is closed. Yeah. Oh well, it was still fun though, seeing this place. Look at the waterfall right there. Man, Switzerland is beautiful. The biggest waterfall in Europe was incredible. So we're about to make our way back to the car. Like I said earlier, we're driving to Luxembourg, the richest country in the world. Stay tuned for that. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, I go by Triple J. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go.